Greetings, esteemed students of astrology, and welcome to the Lilly Lectures. Today, I would like to present to you some information you may find useful when deciphering charts regarding theft. According to Master Allen of Oxford, an esteemed astrologer, the true significator of a thief is the planet that is in an angle or the second house and has a connection with the seventh house. If there is no planet in an angle or the second house, then the lord of the seventh house becomes the significator of the thief if it has a connection with the seventh house. Otherwise, the planet to which the moon is applying becomes the significator of the thief, especially if the moon is separating from the lord of the ascendant. Master Allen further stated that a peregrine planet on any angle will not be the significator of the thief unless it has a connection with the seventh house or holds some dignity in the degree of the seventh house. However, if one planet is both the lord of the hour and the lord of the ascendant, it will signify the thief, even if it does not have a connection with the ascendant. In my experience, I have always found, if a peregrine planet is in the ascendant, it signifies the thief. After the ascendant, I give preference to the southern angle, then the western angle, followed by the fourth house, and lastly, the second. If there are multiple peregrine planets in angles, it raises suspicion, especially if they are in conjunction, sextile, or trine aspects. However, if they are in square or opposition aspects, it indicates lack of agreement and diminishes the likelihood of them being the significators of the thief. In conclusion, the astrological influences reveal itself to be a powerful tool for unraveling the mysteries of theft. Master Allen's teachings, combined with my own astrological insights, offer a nuanced understanding of the planetary dance that governs these clandestine acts. If you found this information helpful in your studies, please like, share with your fellow students, and subscribe. Until our next rendezvous, I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.